Okay, countdown to Christmas continues. Our specials for day 3 and 4. This is a great one. These are 20% off of our tabletop ceramic potteries. So you can choose from many different things. So we have these fabulous, darling little mug and sock set. So you look at this. You get the socks. This Billy's naughty dog. Ha! Funny. Okay, happy holidays, and we have a feline one. We have a cute bird. Faith, hope, and peace. And then, of course, someone on your list might be hot and sweet, so it's twisted but sweet. And of course, we're talking about Candy Kings. Anyway, 20% off of that. Look at these charming little guys. So this is like could be a little planter. We have also this design's in mugs. Look at that little Christmas mouse. Isn't he precious? Fun little mugs here. That'd be great for Coco with your grandkids or whoever. And then, of course, these textured pieces here are great. They're cream and black polka dot, as you can see. Mix and match with some stripe plates. Just make a fun little package. And of course, this little bunny. Who doesn't like these little bunnies? Great little, you can cook in this. It's a fabulous piece. Let me show you something a little special here. These are these fun mugs that have sayings on them. I fa la 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 love you. Hugs and kisses, your secret Santa. And this one, meet me under the mistletoe. Val says that to us all the time here. So anyway, these are great mugs. Those 20% off. Those also come in these ones that have musicians. Like this one, Dearly Beloved, we are gathered here today to get through this thing called life. We all know Prince. We have ones then it's just some other fun ones. Call your mother. Kisses and hugs your mother. We have Stevie Nicks says, don't be a lady, be a legend. Anyway, great quotes for all these. These also package well with our teas and our honeys. So as you can see, we have this charming little set here. No, I'm not gonna move it. Okay, so we have tea, we have the mug and saucer set with some honey. There's your package, there's your Christmas gift. Here you go here. We have this great birch planter that it's set in with some honey straws and tea. This is not on sale right now, but we have you can put the mugs with it. And of course, all of our delicious cloister honey from North Carolina flavored that you can put with foods, ice cream, oatmeal, so many great ideas. But that is our special, the 20% off, and it is good for the 14th and the 15th. And we'll see you soon. Oh wait, real quick, a little modeling here. Chalet jacket, makes a great gift. You know, I think you could just wear this kind of like a duster sweater almost. You don't have to wear it, it's not outside. And then come check out our earrings. And these are, let's see, what was that? Union Studio Metalworks.
Yes.
And they're in Boise. So anyway, great earrings. Come on, see you soon.